And these are some of the items that I will be using to make my headboard. I have the material, fabric needles, glue, scissors, staplers, and of course, last but not least, the styrofoam cardboard. Now I'm just going to take my tape and I'm going to take the 3 styrofoam cardboards and I'm going to tape them together at the ends like so. I'm going to tape all 3 of those together so that they can combine into one. Now I had cut out some small strip pieces earlier. I'm just going to add those everywhere that I apply the tape to connect the cardboard together. And when applying those strips to the pieces that I applied, you know how I attached them to each other, I did use my glue gun to kind of make it seal a little better, and afterwards then I applied tape over it. Now right here what I'm doing is I'm pre-marking where I want my hose to go and how I kind of want my headboard to kind of be framed, if that makes sense. Now here comes the fun part. I get to deal with heavy duty equipment. Yeah. And what I did, I just put my little circles where I wanted them to go so that I can place the diamonds. And now what I'm doing is I'm going to be taking my filler, and then that was a stapler that I purchased from Walmart, which was crappy. Yeah, very crappy. But yes, I'm about to start creating, and those are my diamonds. I purchased those from eBay. I'll leave a link down below. And then I got some sparkly little stud ribbons. You can get it at Walmart. And I've laid my fabric down, and as you can see, I've already put some of the diamond studs in position.